In YBLive, you can only have one admin or user in each particular section at once. So there might come a time that you might need to split the section because you want more than one person working on one particular section on the pages of that particular section. To do that, you can do so right from the yearbook ladder, and we're going to use splitting/merging sections as an example. As you can see, this particular section has 8 pages. We're going to go right here to the little gear button under settings. We're going to click split, and then it's going to give us directions right here. It's going to ask us to let us know where we want to split the section. Which of these pages is going to be the first page in our new section? And that's going to be right here where the waves are, let's say, and we're going to click OK. And then you will see that we have 2 separate sections, one called splitting/merging sections with 3 pages, and then the other one splitting/merging sections split with 5 pages. So now 2 different people can go in each section and make any editorial changes they want. And then when they're done designing, if you want to merge the sections, you can again go to the little gear button. Now we're going to merge down, and it's going to ask you if you're sure you want to do this. We're going to click on yes, and then you're going to see we only have one section again with 8 pages.